In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Canva template into a PSD file you can open in Photoshop. Hi everyone. If you love designing in Canva but need the flexibility of Photoshop for advanced edits, this simple workflow will bridge the gap without complicated software. First, open your design in Canva. Head to your projects area and select the design you want to convert. Take a quick moment to scan through your pages, check that images and text are correct, and make note of any special effects like gradients, shadows, or transparency. Those details can influence how layers appear once we move the file over to Photoshop. Next, download the design as a PDF. Click the Share button, then choose Download. In the File Type dropdown, select either PDF Standard or PDF Print. PDF Standard is great for smaller file sizes and web use, while PDF Print preserves more detail and is usually the better choice if you want higher quality layers inside Photoshop. If your design has multiple pages, you can pick specific pages or export all of them. When you're ready, download the file to a location you can easily find. Now it's time to convert the PDF to a Photoshop file using a free, browser-based editor called Photop at photop.com. Open the site, then drag and drop your PDF right into the workspace. Photop will load your file and, in most cases, keep elements as layers, which is exactly what we want. Depending on your design, some objects, like complex effects, certain fonts, or transparency, may be rasterized or grouped differently. That's normal when moving between platforms. The important part is that you'll have a layered document you can refine further in Photoshop. Once your design looks good in Photop, export it as a PSD. Go to File, then choose Save as PSD. Photop will prepare the file and download it to your computer. Keep an eye on the file size. High-resolution designs can be larger, which is expected when preserving quality. After the download finishes, open the PSD in Photoshop to continue editing. You can adjust layers, tweak colors, swap images, or replace fonts as needed. If a font doesn't match perfectly, simply substitute it with a similar font in Photoshop for a clean, consistent look. That's all there is to it. You've moved your Canva design into a layered PSD format without losing your workflow. And that's how you convert templates from Canva to PSD quickly and easily.